Good morning, dear students. Hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Please stay at your home and stay safe. Our maths third lesson is multiplication. Firstly, before starting the chapter, we should learn what is the multiplication, what is the need of multiplication, what is multiplication. Multiplication is short form of repeated addition of the same number. Understood, students? Let us taking an example of it. Multiplication, I am repeating, multiplication is a short form of repeated addition of the same number. Suppose as you add 25 plus 25 plus 25 plus 25, we add as a number as column, then we got the sum of these number is 100. Understand, students? This is a long process. Here is a less quantity, but when the greater quantity, it takes too much time. The need of the multiplication is to make easy calculation of addition. Suppose here we add 25 in 4 times. We can write 25, and how much time is 25 here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then multiply by 4. Understand, students? The answer will be same. Understood, students? The need of the multiplication is save the time, as here is the less quantity. If the quantity will be suppose 8 times. Understood, students? If we writing this, it means 25 is added 8 times. 25 is added 8 times. It take too much time to adding, but when we use multiplication, the time will short and the answer will got shown. The next we discuss about this number is called multiplicand, and this number is called multiplier. Understood, students? Let us multiplication read about some multiplication facts. Multiplication, as we already discussed the definition of multiplication. Multiplication is a short form of repeated addition of the same number. Second property, the number being multiplied is called the मल्टीप्लिंग. जो नंबर इन हिंदी, जो नंबर क्या हो रहा है, किसी दूसरे नंबर से क्या हो रहा है, मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है, this is called multiplicand. Third is the number by which the multiplicand is multiplied is called multiplier. The number which is multiplying other number, that is called multiplier. Fourth, the answer is called product, as we this is multiplicand and this is multiplier, and the result of this is called product. Understand, students? The next property is the product of any number multiplied by 1 is equal to the number itself. Let's understand it. Here is saying that if the product, अगर कोई product, कोई number किसी 1 से क्या हो रहा है, multiply हो रहा है, तो वो क्या देगा? खुद number. Then we can see that 3 is 2 is 3. Here the means of this number is 3 is added only 1 times. 3 is added only 1 times, as we write 3 multiplied by 2. It means 3 is added 2 times. Thus, it is the property, the product of any number multiplied by 1 is equal to the number itself. Understand, students? The sixth property, the product of any number multiplied by 0 is always 0 if the a number any time multiplied by 0, if the number will be any number, it is not a particular number. If a greater quantity, less quantity, it may be lakh. If it multiplied by 0, it will be 0. Suppose 10,000 multiplied by 0 equal to 0, and 1 also multiplied by 0. Understand, students? Seventh property is, in multiplication, the product of number being multiplied may be equal to or may be greater than the number, but never except when one of the number is 0. If in this property, if we multiplied the number, the product will be equal as, in which condition the product will be equal? When it multiplied by 1 and always be greater. Number 8 property, the product divided by the multiplicand equals to the multiplier. The property divided by the multiplier equal to the multiplicand. If the last property is here, in a multiplication operation, the products remain the same even if the order will be changed. As in this property, it is saying that the order will be any order. The order will be any. The answer in the multiplication will be same. As suppose 6 into 2, and if we change the order of it to, we write first, and it will be, the answer will be same. 6 2s are 12 and 2 6s are 12. Understand, students? The next, multiplication by 10. It is a very simple property. As if a number multiplied by 10, if a number multiplied by 10, you should write that number and apply a 0 after it. Let us take an example. Suppose 32 multiplied by 10, then when 32 is multiplied by 1, it gives 32, and here is only 0, then will be 0. Second example of 10 multiplication, if suppose 423 multiplied by 10, understand, student, here is only 0. When it is multiplied by 1, it gives us that number 423, and here is only 1 0. Understand, students? The case will be if a minor change will be here, as suppose 720 multiplied by 10, here will be, here is 0 and here is 0. Then here is a number 72, then it will be multiplied when by 1, it gives 72, and here is 10 is this and 10 is this. How many 0 is here? 20. 1 2. Understand, students? Second property, when a number multiplied by 100, when a number multiplied by 100, suppose 42 multiplied by 100, here is 20, then here will be 20, and when 1 multiplied by 42, it's give 42. Suppose second example, 326 multiplied by, suppose 100, then 20 here, the right 20 here, and when 1 multiplied by 326, it will be 326. 26. Understand, students? Similarly, if a minor change will be here, suppose here is also 0. Suppose 3260 multiplied by 100. Then here is a 0, 10, 20, 30. So then 1, 2, 3 and the number when 326 multiplied by 1, then it will be 326. Similarly, when a number multiplied by 1000, we can write, suppose 34 multiplied by 1000. How many 0 is here? 1, 2, 3. Then 1, 2, 3. Then 34 multiplied by 1, it gives 34. Understand, student? Similarly, when a little change will be here, suppose a 0 will be here, 1, 10, 1000. Then how many 0 is here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then how many 0 will be in product? 1, 2, 3, 4. And when 34 multiply by 1, it will be 34. Understand, students? Hope you all are enjoying the class and do your work regularly. Thank you.